Howdy y'all, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101, and we're looking at the beautiful Peridot apartments in Dallas, Texas. Peridot apartments in Dallas, Texas. By the way, this is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. So we're about to go in the studio. This is gonna be a very quick walkthrough, just so you can quickly see. We're gonna try to keep this to a minute. So this is what it looks like inside. It's very, very pretty, beautiful floors. Here is the bathroom. The bathroom is gorgeous. It's got that walk-in shower. This is the mirror. The mirror looks great. Beautiful area to get ready with the countertop and everything. This is a gorgeous stackable washer dryer with closet space. And then here is, they call it a studio, but this is actually a closed off bedroom area. It's really, really nice. There is a window that's up there. And then this actually closes off as well with the barn door. So that's pretty cool. They call it a studio, but it's got a closed off bedroom. This is really, really nice as well. This is a beautiful view you've got for yourself. This is the living room area, and it's combined with this kitchen area. All the appliances are here that you need. Washer, dryer, good appliances also. Fisher and Paykel fridge, that's a really nice fridge. Really pretty studio, one of the best I've ever seen. Hey, if you want to get more information about this beautiful studio and you want to take a personalized tour, whether that's a virtual or live, we can take care of that for you right away. I want you to send me a text at the number below. Just say, hey, Grant, I like what I'm seeing. I think this might be my perfect place in Dallas. Let's get a tour going. We'll take care of that for you right away. Sometimes we can do it same day. So go ahead and send me that text. I look forward to hearing from you.